Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the function. So now I will show you the technique. Express y in from a multiplied with s plus h to the power of 2 plus k, and a, h and k are real numbers. So now I will show you the answer. First, we need to put about number 3 in here. So inside the bracket, we got about s squared plus 4s minus 1 over 3. Next, we need to put number 4 in here. That means we need to minus number 4. So about this one, we can put about s plus 2 to the power of 2. And this one, we got about number 3 multiply with this one, and you got about negative number 13. So this is about a, this is about h, and this is about k. So a equals to number 3, h equals to number 2, and k equals to negative 13. Next, determine the value of s for which y equals to number 0. So we put number 0 in here. We can find the solution of this one. So we have delta equals to 12 square minus 4. A is about number 3, C is about negative number 1. We got about 156. So we have two solutions. So we put about negative 12 minus the square root of delta is about 156 divide to 2 multiply with number 3. So we have two solutions. That should be about minus number 6 minus the square root of 39 over number 3 minus number 6 plus the square root of 39 over 3. Now find the y-intercept. So we have this equation in here. So we put about s equal to number 0, go in here, and you got about y equals to negative number 1, and this is the point of intercept. Now the last one, this is about sketch the graph of the function. Here is about the graph. This is about the graph of the function. That's the end. Thank you for watching.